know. I saw that.
That's a man's van.
What's this? This looks like it's brand new.
$45 gloves, 12 pairs of.
Apex digital TV converter. Look this up.
Oh my gosh. We gotta get that.
Why?
There's that. I'm gonna check it out.
Check it out.
You know what that is?
It's a light
It goes
that
on
goes
your bed. On your headboard.
Oh, that's old school
That's
right
what
there,
I
Mom.
said. That's cool. Look at that fishing box. I won't get it. I'm just looking.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Mom, look. Isn't that cool?
Oh my goodness.
Bomber station.
Oh, shit.
That's awesome.
Master method for the people. Oh my God. How do you, we don't even have piano, but isn't that cool? I love the old pictures.
Master method. Oh, yeah, that is.
Look at the
Caution.
frames. That's the kind of frame Grandma Telling him had.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
That's cool. Oh, it does have the prices on here. Playboy commemorative
Does
card
it have
set.
it on here?
I don't see one on that, but that's neat.
None of this stuff is mine, so. Yeah. So basically, everything from here is.
Oh, okay, good. I was gonna say I have no clue. What did he say on this? Okay, so we'll just say 5 on that.
Oh my God, Grandma Ellis's. This was Grandma Ellis's set. It has
Seriously?
handles, yeah. See? She had
Oh,
every
wow.
one of those at Latches. She had every one of those. They are so spinning. And I mean, honest to God, they are so.
What kind are they?
I have no idea what the name of
Does it say?
Well, it's got to be a book. There it is. It's called Guardian Service.
Look it up. Yeah, look it up.
They're so cool. Look at that. I can't believe they have the handles with them. Yeah, she had every one of those. Look at
Yeah, yeah. Look them up. This is.
That was very nice. You know, I just had a yard sale a while ago, and my daughter sold all my Nancy Drew books.
Oh.
She's read them. What do you do with them?
Oh,
you know?
I know.
And it had my maiden name in it. My LE30509.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Goodness, isn't that fun?
Have a
Yeah.
price on it. How about 3? 2? 2 sounds good.
Mother,
in my
you
bra.
don't need that.
I do need it, sis. Okay, for $99 for just one pan.
See? See, look, it sold. Huh? Look, it sold.
Okay, hang on. Oh, God. Here we go. She ruined it, folks.
Mhm.
Honey, I can't find it.
I've seen a lot of this at my mom's house, my mother-in-law's house. You know, so I'm just curious. Well, apparently, okay, and I don't know.
Why is it froze?
See some good
Yeah, it's frozen.
Huh? What?
They don't have any of those kind of pans there.
$11.99. That's it.
Yeah, so not
Okay.
worth it. Oh, look at all this stuff.
I know. Is that a flag? No, it's a bag.
This is the grand already had.
Really?
Oh, they are, aren't they? Yeah, is it starting moving over all that country? Where he's wanting to move to. Yeah, move around.
What's that? Oh, look at that. See that sign? That's cool. Oh, wow. Wow. That's awesome. Wow, guys, look awesome.
Another one I saw sign on
Right here with you. Shop Renegade Classics in Pasco, the Basin's best biker lifestyle store in the area. And they bring you the 8 o'clock question every weekday. The question today is just to fill in the blank. Blank is the best. I'm a toker from Grandview watching Mick Jagger strut on stage.
Oh, yeah.
That is the best.
It is the best.
Alan from Walla Walla listening to anyone other than Joe Buck announce footballer is the best. Yeah, he's a little bit.
Let's see how much they want for these.
Hey, say man, when he and Troy Aikman, it sounds like, you know, they don't say it out loud, but it just sounds like they're rooting against the Seahawks. It just does. Scott says, coming up with something that completely blows my wife away for special occasions. In 2020, I put together 4 days of wine tasting up and down I-82 for the red wine and chocolate event.
Oh, now he is a special man. His wife is there.
Sounds exhausting.
It sounds really nice.
Russell says every day above ground is the best.
That's got a point.
It really, well, I guess you could.
And
737-1065.
The riverbank, a box of beer, and a bag of chicken is the best. Good morning, Jackson. Robert, how are you guys?
I'm great.
Fantastic.
Excuse me. Right behind you. I just want to grab these real quick and see what's going on. Oh, pardon me.
No, I have my mom's recipes too, and they're written down in their writing, so it makes it special.
It is.
Take a bag and I'll stick it in the bag. Well, Carol says, I understand and I agree. Spend
Mom, this is what I was talking about, all these. Look.
Oh my goodness,
Aren't
is
those
that cool?
rad?
And yeah, when our grands in their party or hail on the railroad.
Oh, yeah. I thought about offering a price for all of those metal plates, but they were asking $40 for each one. And I overheard her saying that she wanted to be firm on that, so I didn't think that we could make a deal for all of them where I could get them at a cheaper price. So unfortunately, we had to pass them up.
Everything here plus the track.
Yep.
$20. And then the picture. Oh, it says 25 up there.
But we'll take less.
Okay, I'd like to take that, and then the plates,
Okay.
the train plate.
$5 a piece.
Over here. Let me get this.
What about the, are you selling the war? Is he getting that? Oahu bombed?
Patrick?
Is that what you were interested in?
Yeah, I'm curious if you're selling that.
Yeah.
How much are you selling it for? I've never seen anything like
What
it.
did we decide for price on that?
We didn't get, you just said you'd take less.
Okay.
So I was gonna see what the plates were and everything. So
Okay.
I'm just gonna get it.
Because she was
Good enough.
interested in it.
Oh no, I was interested in that wooden one, the war.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't think he wants to sell that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Screwed on right there.
Yeah, I like anything that's, World War II era.
Oh, do you really?
I
Did you
do.
see his books?
Which books?
Oh my gosh.
See, I found this picture and I love it. I used to be the general manager of Atomic Ale.
Really?
So I've got one that has the mushroom cloud and
Oh,
I love this stuff. I mean, I love it. How cool is that?
He's got a picture in his basement that's like the nuclear
Boxes
plume.
of jack here.
That's mushroom cloud. I know, I love it. And then I was wanting to know how much you want on these instruction manuals.
You know what? I'm gonna take you back into his office and he'll let you know.
Okay.
And then you can see the World War II stuff that he has. Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
Am I losing you? Hey, Sissy,
Huh.
you want me to take some of that stuff?
No, she's gonna give me a quote on prices, what he wants for them.
Hey, Carly, give me
Yeah.
a piece, baby girl, real quick. I'm gonna go grab my money out because I'm gonna pay for this blue stuff.
Okay.
Patty, sorry, I'm just getting stories
That's
from him.
okay. Oh, and he'll tell you lots.
This better be important.
This lady would like to know about what you want for these books here.
Yeah, all
and
these
then
books?
what World War II books you have that you'd like to sell. Because I know you have several.
Are they all here?
Well, they'd be down in there.
Well, first off, when somebody asks you that, you gotta, how much money did you bring?
Oh, dear. Oh, he'll give you a bad time, huh?
What stack of books you got there?
Let me show you. So I've got some of these like operating manuals and stuff. Let's see. Modern freight train handling. I just like them. I think they're cool looking. Civic.
Paperbacks.
Yeah, paperback. My brother worked for the Northern Pacific Railroad, so.
What, BN?
Yeah. Yeah, he worked there for a number of years. He doesn't work there anymore, but he worked over on the west side.
Oh,
Yeah, that's where we're from.
well,
Whoa, you got a Woodstock poster? That's cool.
the west side's nice, but I'd hate to live there.
I lived there till I was 13, but I don't miss the rain. I love Four Seasons over here. And... Is that a real Woodstock poster?
No,
Oh.
that's a knockoff. Well, if you're feeling adventurous, let's go take a look at what we have.
Okay, down there at the books?
Yeah, pretty much everything is for sale, except on that top shelf you'll see there's some set of blue books. They gotta hang on to those. Those go
Okay.
to number one, son.
Okay, perfect.
But
All right.
outside of that, take a look at what you want, and I don't know, what do you think?
I don't know, what do you think?
What's it worth to you?
Well, I don't know. I don't want to offend you, so you just tell me what you want
It's
for me.
pretty hard to offend me, I tell you.
You tell me what you
37
want
years with
for
the
'em.
railroad.
37 years?
Oh,
Wow. Those plates out there are incredible.
I walked off the property in 2006. I had 2 back surgeries in less than a year. So that was the end of my 50-year career.
50 years?
That's what I was going to put
Wow.
in. But
that's
I
amazing.
also had a target on my back, so maybe it's just as well I had to walk off.
It's unfortunate when that happens.
25 too much?
I think the 25 for all of it. Yeah, I can do that.
Well, see if you can find anything down there.
Okay. Let me try to hit my...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're okay. I'm chubby, so...
No, you're not.
Oh, you got some hats, too. Is it okay?
Anything pretty much except model railroad stuff goes.
Okay. He's even got the train on there. That is so cool.
The lady told me to come back and talk to you. There's a piece of railroad track out there from the White Pass. Is that for sale? It's got a piece of paper on it that says it's from the White Pass in Yukon.
A friend of ours. Her father worked on that when they lived on there.
Yeah.
That's an old.
Oh, wow.
And everything pretty much except model railroad stuff is for sale.
Well, I'm a model railroader. How can it not be for sale?
Well, got to get rid of a lot of stuff so I can try to resume.
Yeah, it looks like we're starting or parting some alcohol or some electronics.
But I'm not good at it, taking that little stuff apart.
So you know who is good at it is Bob over at Parkade Hobbies.
Oh, gentlemen, yeah.
Yeah, Bob Jekyll. And
Well,
he does work on locomotives like that.
I've got a few that I'd love to, have given the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, but no use doing that until I do something here.
Or bring them down to the club and run them.
So I know that we missed some money sitting right there on those railroad lanterns. I wish I would have taken a little bit more time. I don't even know if I noticed them when I was walking through. There was so much stuff. So if you notice we missed anything else, let us know.
First you gotta free up some space and then you can start building.
Well,
And you got plenty of space to build.
I've got my idea, but I wanted to start up there with a 4-foot. And then I wanted to break arc and put a 9-inch, terminal track in there. So it's kind of a little flat.
Oh, wow.
And then I wanted to run straight down this side.
I don't know. How are you?
Pretty good yourself.
Not bad. I didn't mean to interrupt. Go ahead.
And then down here, I wanted to come off the straight side with a 3-foot with the same thing on the terminal. So it would be
And is it gonna be the HO3 or is it gonna be HO?
HO.
Sir, how much do you want for the hats and then for your banners here?
How much you got?
What do you think?
About 15.
15? I can do that. Okay.
All the models
15,
stuff.
sorry. Oh, you have 40 altogether. Okay, you got it. You want me to pay you or just pay it out there?
Oh, you can pay my boss.
Thank you, sir, for letting me look around. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I really do. Thank you.
Be safe.
You too.
Is there more stuff back there?
There is, yes. Okay, Mom. He said 40 for everything.
What?
40 for everything. He's a hoot. He's a nice guy.
I figured you had a
Oh, I love talk. I could sit and talk to him all day.
Oh, he'd enjoy that a
He's
lot.
a wealth of knowledge. Ugh.
Yeah, he likes to visit.
Yeah, he's just incredible stuff. I mean, so much history. It's amazing.
For
Mom,
Dad.
will you grab my will you grab my wallet out and give him 40 bucks out of there? It's in my pocket right here. You gotta.
Oh, that's not it.
We'll be open tomorrow too. So
You will?
Yeah, we might bring out some more stuff.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he's got tons of stuff back there. He's so funny, Mom.
Is he? You like him, huh? As I said, you made a
So
friend.
funny to hear about your dad. That's my dad, and I'm just like,
Getting
oh,
somebody else's
dad.
something. Instead of doing your own something.
Yeah, we listened to the stories over
All
and
right,
over
perfect.
and over
Thank
again.
you so much.
Oh, hey, thank you
Thank
so
you. We
much.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
So much cool stuff.
Oh, I almost had it boxed up before you got out here.
How much did you spend?
I think I can't remember, but he's not telling.
Yeah, he's cute. He's got good taste in baseball teams.
Oh, heck yeah, he's got a man.
They were almost good.
We're almost. I know. 2001 is quite a streak of drought.
Was there a game last night?
Yeah. Well, the Seahawks were.
Oh, they're done.
We were
Oh,
almost
Seahawks.
made it to the playoffs. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the car. Thank you so much, you guys. Take care. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, that sounds good.
I'll see if I can work on some World War II books out of
Oh, I would love that. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.